Yo guys, what's going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're testing out Mr. Ronster's charged PEV electric vehicle cleaning product. I wish I could say that the man, the myth, the legend sent it out to me, but I bought it. So I'll give you my unfiltered review. I hope I win that Talaria XXX though. Plus my bike's dirty, I never clean it, so I figured why not, just give it a try. It was $24.99, $32 shipped to my door. So this thing's dirty. We'll get it cleaned up. Let's get it just a little more dirty before we clean it by ripping through these trails here. Go down this way instead. Suspension handles this so well now. Now it's just up to me to be a good rider to actually take advantage of it. Woo! One thing against us, whoa, is this tree. But it's the supermoto wheels because you don't have not quite as much grip off-road. Hope I don't get poison ivy or ticks or any of that jazz, but... Alright, we're going to rip up top here to a good vantage point to see what all this hype is about. See how good this charged PEV stuff works. Guys, don't worry, I'm still working on my knee knockers. They're still pretty dreadful, but we just got to get seat time, you know? Alright, I think this is the spot, people. So as you guys can tell, this thing is freaking filthy. So let's try this charged PEV. This is the all-purpose cleaner. Like I said, 32 bucks shipped to my door. See if we can get this thing cleaned up. Oh, we got to switch it to on. It does have an on-off little switch there, so you don't, I don't know, spill it all over your bag. Let's try this, see how it works. Got to be careful not to get the brake pads all sprayed with this, but these wheels are the worst. And just like that, guys, she is all cleaned up. So I would say she looks pretty good. The front wheel looks really good. The rear wheel is okay. This really doesn't speak to the cleaner, but more to me. You can see there's some stuff in there just because it was kind of hard to get to with the paper towels, and I already got my gloves all dirty, and I really don't care that much. I don't know how good that is for the review's sake, but I'd say it works pretty dang good. I don't know, again, like what the chemicals in it are, but it seems to get everything off. Everything came off my bike actually surprisingly easy. Now, I'm not sure if that just has to do with the stuff that was caked on my bike, and if maybe it's, you know, more dirt or something, it's harder to get off. I don't know, but it looks pretty good. Only thing I'd mention is it does look like on the motor there is a little residue left over from the stuff. I don't know if that's my fault. Maybe it's because I use paper towels. You need to use a cloth. I don't know, but I don't really care. So all in all, it's nice to have as a cleaner. It'll motivate me to actually clean the bike because otherwise I won't do anything with it. It's not like I'm going to spray it with some water. So now I have reason to clean the bike. Damn, I guess I really didn't think this through with all the paper towels here and doing this here. I don't really want to put all these paper towels in my bag with my camera. Is there a trash can anywhere? See, guys, we don't litter, unlike everyone else here, clearly. All right. Oh. All right, guys, we're going to head down, or up, rather, my fave road, which is MLK Drive. We're going to go all the way up along the Schuylkill and then back down Kelly Drive. Practice some knee knockers, I reckon, because we just got to get seat time on these. Well, more like knee time. All right, come on, you little baby. Do some freaking good knee knockers. Alright, I guess I just gotta talk trash to myself, because then I do better. Maybe affirmation is better. You're so good, Connor. You're so good. Oh. We got our sit-downs, though. Hey! Yes, sir. Electric gang. Game recognized game. Oh. We coaster like nothing, guys. Arm pump is already occurring. All right, let's try some swerves at least. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's get a quick workout in, guys. We gotta stay in shape to do these wheelies, you know what I'm saying? Oh, sorry, GoPro. 3. All right, let's take this turn. Could go straight through the grass, or we'll take the actual paved path. Ah! Oh! All right. Slow it down. As long as we don't need rear brake, we can do that one-hander. We need a foot brake is what we need. These one-handers are kind of hitting now. Stay in your lane! Woo! I like it. Is that like a ruckus? Yeah. That's cool, man. I dig it. I love these bikes. Yeah. I feel like he lives off of that ruckus. Yeah, you have all of the freaking little boats out right now. All the colleges row in this Schuylkill here. Oh, a jump? Hey! What's up? You have the place here. Look at all the boats they got here. All the boats. I don't think they'll mind a little wheelie here. Thanks. Oh, I love these whoops. We're flying. Oh, yes. These off-road sections are so fun. And it's almost more fun on the Supermoto tires and wheels because it's a little squirrelier. It's kind of like drifting, you know? Here. Oh, and follow it right back to this one. Oh, yes. This whole video is just me making sounds, I swear to God. I'm just having fun. Can we wheelie on this trail? I think so. This is good practice for balance and bumps. Alright guys, I've been killing you with not doing circles in this one. And circles have kind of gotten pretty good for me. Oh, no they haven't. Look at this. You know what? Let's really, if I'm trying to prove that, let's... Ow! I was about to say let's do it in the dirt, but... Owie. Well guys, I never cease to amaze myself, that is for certain. But we're back! As you guys can tell, we have the second round of smoke from Canada here in Philly. It's very hazy. You know, on second thought, I wonder if I should be out riding right now, just inhaling all this friggin' smoke. Pound it? Can you pound it? Yeah. What are your names? Okay, what's up? You know what? Can you do another one? Another one? Yeah, I can do another one. All right, guys, I'm out of here. All right, bye, guys. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty of content to come. Oh, still got to work on the right turns, but I will catch you next time. Peace.